everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Nadia, and in today's video we are going to present you a renovated apartment that is just a couple of steps from this beautiful beach of Del Cura. As you can see right now, we have people bathing in the Mediterranean Sea because we have such nice weather on our beautiful and dear Costa Blanca area. And now let's get you to know a little bit more about this area. We have nicely made promenade in here, which is full of restaurants, shops, and you also have all other kinds of services. You have good access to the city center and also to, of course, this beautiful, beautiful beach. Now I want to bring you closer to the apartment. So just a couple of steps from the beautiful beach of Del Cura, we have our building. And also, this building was renovated, not only the apartment, and I want you to see that we have new floors, new staircase, and also we have a lift, so it's also good for disabled or for just wheelchairs. So now let's get to see the apartment, but there's one thing that is very important, and it's right at the door of your apartment, and it's a storage. It's a private storage that you have here, and I want to show you how big it is. As you can see, you can fit plenty of stuff there, and it's very convenient because it's right at the door of your own apartment. Now let's get to see it. So now let's get to see this beautifully renovated apartment, and we can start by the bedroom. Here we have a spacious bedroom with really nice and original sea views, as you can see, but also we have the full wall of wardrobe here. So in this apartment, a lot of things were changed, including the floors, and we have air conditioner, and in this hallway we have really nice window which adds tons of natural light during the day. And now I want to show you the bathroom. Here we have a full bathroom, fully renovated with a spacious shower plate. And now let's get to my favorite part of the house, which is this nicely renovated L-shaped kitchen. All appliances were changed, and as you can see, they have really nice design with the imitation of dark marble, which I love. And now here we have the dining and the living area. Also, I want to show you, we have nicely hidden utility space with a boiler. But now let's show you the terrace. Now we get to the terrace of this apartment, and I want to show you that we have some lateral sea views. And one of the best features of this apartment, in my opinion, is that we are located just right at the beach of Del Cura, where we have a nice promenade and we can enjoy the weather of Costa Blanca. But also, what is really cool about this apartment is that we have a community pool on the rooftop. So this apartment is in a nice area that is close to the beach. You have all services around, and you can get it with Alicante Real Estate for 170,000 euros. It's a spacious, renovated apartment. Also, this apartment can be a really nice opportunity for investors because, as you know, many things are changing now with the touristic licenses, but in this building, it's allowed, and you can rent this apartment with our company, Alicante Holiday. So you can do the touristic rentals and have revenue from your own apartment in the beautiful Costa Blanca. If you want any more details about this apartment, you will have my details on the screen, so you can ask me anything. And thank you for watching, as always, and see you in the next one. Bye!